Today we're going to do a general overview for the 9001 hose in tap timer. I will demonstrate a very simple setup with a couple of start times running on a couple of days of the week. But if you need any more information, the user manual is inside each and every box, and our tech support line is on the back of each of the user manuals as well. Feel free to reach out to us at any time. So with the 9001 first step, rotate it over, locate your battery box. You're just going to pry that right up. Grab your 9-volt battery. We're going to click it right in. Slide your battery in and put the lid right back on the box. Flip it over. Now, as we can see, we have our 12 o'clock flashing here. We have our enter button, minus button, plus button, and move to the next setting button on the right arrow button. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set our time, and we're going to set our time for 8 a.m. and we don't need any minutes. We're going to set it for a Tuesday, so you can see the little raindrop is flashing there. We're going to go ahead and hit the plus button again. That moves it over to Tuesday. So now we have our time set, 8 a.m. on a Tuesday. We're going to hit our enter button, and then our hours start flashing. We're going to set 20 minutes. So we're going to hit the right arrow and then the plus button until we get to 20. And then we're going to hit the enter button, and we can set it for days or we can set it on a cycle. Let's go ahead and set it for Tuesdays and Fridays. So we're going to hit the right arrow button to change over to Monday, and then right arrow again, which brings up Tuesday. We're going to add another day with the plus button. Let's go over to Friday. And then we're going to hit the plus button one more time. That saves the Tuesday and Friday setting, and the little raindrop doesn't save. When we press our enter button, start time 1 is off. We actually want to start the first irrigation cycle at 7 a.m. We're going to irrigate twice a day. So 7 a.m. it'll run for 20 minutes for the first irrigation cycle. Press our enter button and then come back and hit our we're going to hit our minus button because we're actually going to set for 6 p.m. for start time number 2. And then we're going to press our enter button. Start time number 3 we're not going to use. Start time number 4 we're not going to use. And now we're all set up. 8 a.m. is the time on a Tuesday. We're running for a duration of 20 minutes. The days of the week are Tuesday and Friday that we're going to run. And we're going to start at 7 a.m. and then we're going to do another irrigation cycle at 6 p.m. So we're going to run twice a day for 2 days a week. And no start time 3, no start time 4, and we're ready to go. Now, if we needed to get water out without programming, you can just hit the manual button, and you can hear that valve open, and the manual will run for 20 minutes because that's the duration we set. But you can always hit it again or something like that. When you're ready to turn it off, go ahead and hit that button, and you heard the valve cycle again. It means your valve's functioning properly. Now, if you come out on Monday afternoon, it's rained really heavy, you don't know when the next time you're going to irrigate is, go ahead and press the irrigation off button, hold it down for a few seconds. You'll see the irrigation off option appear. Now to turn that, so let's say Saturday, you look around, the yard's dried up, you're ready to start your irrigation again at the next scheduled time. Go ahead and hold that button down again, or your rain off icon goes away. Thanks for watching.